Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of a residential project, Holistico Estrana, located in Hadapsar, Pune, a project developed by Holistico Universe. In this video, we will be discussing about below points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, internal and external, master plan and carpet area analysis, pros and cons. So let's start. First one is project overview. Holistico Estrana project will be constructed on 6.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with basement plus ground plus 4 podium plus 30 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK premium residencies. Coming to the location part, project is located near Chandan Nagar, Malwadi, Hadapsar, Pune with Magarpata city 2.4 kilometers. D-Mart is around 2.8 kilometers. Mundwa Chowk is 3.3 kilometers from the project. Let's have a look at the amenities part. First is internal amenities. Vitrified tiles, granite kitchen, SS sink, earthquake resistant RCC frame structure, gypsum finish internal wall, safety grills in windows for security, aluminium windows with mosquito mesh, MS railing, and many more. Coming to the external amenities, project has 30 plus luxurious amenities with like of swimming pool, multi-purpose court, multi-purpose lawn, amphitheater, cricket net, clubhouse, baseball and volleyball court, mini theater, BBQ counter, party lawn, skating rink, kids play area and many more. Now, the parking part. Project has one type of car parking facility and that is strict. Now, let's do the master plan and floor plan analysis. This is the master plan of Holistico Estrana. As you can see in the image, Holistico Estrana consists of 6 towers that will be launched phase-wise. Tower A, B and E is launched in phase 1. Tower C, D and F will be launched in near future. Now, let's have a look at some of the floor plans. Here you can see this is the typical floor plan of Tower A, having 4 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 2 flats of 2 BHK and 2 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here you can see this is the typical floor plan of Tower B, having 4 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 2 flats of 2 BHK and 2 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here you can see in this image the typical floor plan of Tower E, having 4 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 4 flats of 4 BHK residencies. Now we discuss about the configuration and carpet area. Estrana Hadapsar project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK premium residencies with 2 BHK 803 to 844 square feet, 3 BHK 1181 square feet, 3 BHK duplex of 1372 square feet, 4 BHK of 1759 to 1950 square feet. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 844 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1181 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK duplex, 1372 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 1759 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 1950 square feet. Now, the maintenance part. Maintenance will be taken at the time of possession for 2 years. It varies from 6,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees per month for 2 to 4 BHK residencies. Coming to the most interesting part, and that is pros and cons of the project. First, let's have a look at the pros of the project. Number 1. Project has ultra luxurious amenities. So if amenities is one of the important parameter in your checklist, then this project perfectly fits for you. Number 2. Project has large carpet area, especially 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK, which are very rare to find in the current scenario, where all the builders are busy constructing smaller carpets. So, if you like spacious homes, then this project is perfectly for you. Number 3. Apartments have large balcony area, which are rare to find in current projects. So if balconies are your preference, then this project suits you perfectly. Coming to the cons part, some of the towers are placed in the way that they are facing each other, thereby blocking the view of the garden facing apartments. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Holistico Estrana, located in Hadapsar, Pune, a project developed by Holistico Universe.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.